Hey, first grade, welcome to Thursday. I hope you were all able to watch Chase's Rainforest Tour. Fire, that was amazing! So today we're talking about the mighty oak tree. Oak trees are the kings of trees. People have called them that for thousands and thousands and thousands of years. Guys, they are made to live a long time. Did you know oak trees can live up to 1,000 years? That's longer than any other tree. That is amazing. God made oak trees very, very important, guys. And this morning, we're going to take a look at what makes oak trees so special. And we're going to talk about how you can write about it today. I'll tell you everything you need to know right now for your writing assignment today. All right? So let's get started. First, we need a tree. Oak trees have amazing, thick, deep roots, and they have a wide canopy of branches and leaves. In fact, an oak tree can be 200 feet wide. There are huge trees in California called the California redwoods. These are also huge trees, and they're actually much taller than oak trees, but they go straight up and they have very small branches. Oak trees can be up to 200 feet wide. That means they're even stronger than redwoods. That's amazing. So, guys, now we're going to tell you why oak trees are so special. God gave oak trees the ability to provide many, many things for many, many creatures. To talk about this, we need to know what the word provide means. Provide means to give something others can use. If your mom provides you with lunch, she's giving you something you can use. Maybe the oak tree provides things too. It does. In fact, it provides many, many very important things for the biome that it lives in, the woodland biome. All right, guys, the first thing that oak trees provide that's so important is food. What do oak trees drop? You know, and a lot of you read the poem with me called Squirrel Forgets. Oak trees drop acorns. They can drop millions and millions and millions and millions of acorns. And the acorns that an oak tree drops feed more than 100 different kinds of animals. They're full of protein, which makes them a lot healthier than a lot of other things animals eat. What else do oak trees provide? When you look at this huge canopy of leaves and branches, do you think some things might be able to live in there? Yes. The second thing oak trees provide is shelter. Guys, remember what shelter is? It's a place to be safe out of storms, out of rain. It's a place to have a safe home. Oak trees provide shelter for many, many animals. Better shelter than other trees because they're so strong and their canopy is so big. They also live such a long time that animals don't have to worry about their home going away quite as quickly. Another thing that oak trees provide is their wood. People have used oak wood for thousands of years. Oak wood is so strong that it's used to make ships, furniture like tables and chairs. It's used to make wood floors in houses and other buildings. And it's even used to make wine barrels. Oak wood has been used all the way back through Bible times. The oak tree is talked about several times in the Bible. This is an old tree, guys. All right, one last thing that oak trees provide is oxygen. You guys know that all plants and trees provide oxygen, right? But this guy's so big and so strong that he does an even bigger job of it than most other trees. So the oxygen provided by oaks is very important. What do we need oxygen for? Here's a hint. You need oxygen to breathe. When we breathe out carbon dioxide that the tree needs. He drinks in our carbon dioxide and he breathes out oxygen. We breathe in his oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Isn't that amazing how God made that system to go together? Hopefully you guys remember talking about this from earlier this year. So guys, these are 4 really important things that oak trees provide: food, shelter, wood, and oxygen. Provide, again, means to give something that others can use. The oak tree gives so many things that others can use. Let's look at what you're going to write today. To do your writing assignment today and tomorrow if you like, first, I want you to read the oak tree sheet that I'm sending you. Guys, here it is right here. It's exactly what I just shared, but it will stick even better in your mind if you, first grade reader, read it for yourself. It's a simple sheet that all of you can read. So first, read the oak tree sheet. Second, I want you to think, why is the oak tree special? Hopefully you already have some ideas, but between this and reading the sheet, your brain should be full of jewels. All year we've talked about pulling jewels out of what we read, things that we learn, things that stick out to you. Pull out some jewels from what you've learned about oak trees today to answer this question, why is the oak tree special? Third, you get to start writing. Start by telling your reader what you are writing about. So guys, a great way to start is to say, the oak tree is very special. And then you can go into telling your jewels. It provides, or it does this, okay? Another way to start is to say, oak trees provide lots of things, or oak trees give lots of things. That sets you up for exactly what you're going to share with your reader. Guys, I'm so proud of your writing. It's just been so amazing, and I'm so thrilled with all you've learned this year. So have fun writing about oak trees, and next time you're on a walk in the forest, look for one and give it a huge hug. All right, guys, see you soon.